Shabbos, we're continuing in Siman Reish Ayin Vav, section 276 in the laws of Shabbos, Halacha Beis, Halacha 2. Umikol Mokim. Nevertheless, even though the Jew derives satisfaction from the light of the lamp that the non-Jew kindled on Shabbos, on his own initiative, for the sake of the Jew, our sages did not trouble him to leave his home. A goy comes to your house and turn on the light, so you're not going to be benefiting from the light that the goy did for you.
Right.
So you should walk out of the house. So it says,
if a goy brings chumetz into your house during Pesach, it's not your chumetz, right?
Right.
He puts it on the floor.
Our sages did not trouble him to leave his home. Rabbi said that one time somebody came to him with a bottle of whiskey on Pesach.
Right.
Yeah.
Wanted to give him the whiskey. So if he takes it, it becomes his, right? The moment that he takes it from his hand, it becomes his.
So what do you say?
He tells him, it's chometz, I can't have it.
If they're going to be like
That was a Jew bringing
A Jew bought it, not a goy.
if a guy brings you something in Pesach and
Education.
You can't take responsibility for it. If it's his, it's the goy.
Yeah.
It's not your role.
It's more problematic when a Jew gives it than when a goy. A goy gives it, it's the goy's. It's not, he's allowed to have it. But a Jew gives it, but a Jew brings it, he is already, he himself is under the gun. The Jew himself is under the gun. Now he brings it to your home, now both of you are under the gun.
So what do you do? What do you do?
Tell him, I can't have it, please
take it out.
take it out, get rid of it. I don't know.
What about a situation like, I remember being in a hotel in Israel during Pesach, and no one was allowed to bring in hametz or anything like that to the entire hotel. Now, I have my room in the hotel, but what about if the person next to me in their room?
It's not a problem. It's not your room. It's not a problem. It's not your room. My neighbor would probably eat chametz, right? So what? It doesn't affect me. That's his house. Whatever happens in your domain, it says bali roe u bali motze. You shouldn't see it and you shouldn't have it in your place. Yeah, in your place. But over here, a goy comes in the laws of Shabbos. A goy walks into your house, turns on the light. You're going to benefit from that light. It says the rabbis, our sages, did not trouble him to leave his home. Not to use the light of the lamp at all. The same applies to a fire kindled by a non-Jew. The same laws apply when a Jew spends the Shabbos in an inn, in a hotel located in the home of a non-Jew. He is not required to leave the inn if the non-Jew kindles a lamp for him. Since he is spending the Shabbos there, it is considered like his home, and it is troublesome for him to leave it. It's like that's your room. It's like your house for the time that you are there. If he wishes to act in a pious manner, he should turn his face away from the light of the lamp to show that he does not desire
The light.
its light. He doesn't want it. To show that he's not interested.
Would it be crazy to
go-
cover it?
But that's really to go beyond the measure of the law, is just to show that you are displeased with it, and that's it.
Can I say it's dark, like I have a guy in my home, and I want the light, and someone forgot to...
You can say it, but the best thing is that the goy himself is benefiting from it. He has a no from the light. If he walks in, if he together, it's not a problem, because he's doing it for himself. He's doing it for himself. That's not an issue.
But I can say, please turn on the lights.
Obviously.
It gets really tricky.